So just a couple hours into day one, they already had us out in the cars, helmets, the whole nine, and had us doing laps, literally like half speed though, just to get familiarized with the course. This is the West course there on site. Okay, we're out here doing some figure eight drills. Listen to this. A bunch of Z06s out here. Well, it's day two, and it's raining.
Sport, that's where we're going to end the day. So and then Alan, you can roll forward there. Good adjustment. Look for the stop box. There you go. Nice job there, Brandon. Picked up about a tenth of a second. That was a 34.96, so nice job.
Hi guys, we just got done with some autocross practice. I think I had the fastest run. I stopped paying attention after the first couple, but it was pretty fun. They've got a really good tarmac out here, man. Lots of grip. We're headed over our next session for our group. We're going to do some track time. So I wish they'd actually rename it on day two. They keep calling it lead follow, but on day two I get maybe session one, but we're gonna have 3 sessions today. I wish they'd rename it lead and chase or lead and catch. I want to see you slowly gapping me. I should be in chase mode mentally, as opposed to sort of, you know, you're keeping this distance relative to him, and he's looking in the rear view or the side view and kind of playing, oh, let me slow down a little bit, I'm kind of leaving him. But they when they're doing that, they're staying, you know, several car lengths in front. Our natural instinct is to keep that cushion, especially at these higher speeds and unfamiliarity with running on a track. So my track experience for the most part is drag strip. So yeah, I wish they'd change the name of it, and then they kind of changed their mindset a little bit. I want to have to come get you. I think that would pick up everybody's time a little bit, but nonetheless, having a blast. We're gonna take a quick break here and start a track session.
He's getting them faster. They've already lost the guy that's in their group.
Right there. appreciate the effort there. It's just taking a little lot on the brakes. So back up the braking zone. Give them the brakes to it. That's what I'm talking about, man. Nice job, Brandon. Let's slow down here, man.
I'm humbled. Humbled. I thought I knew what I was doing until I did right along.
Awesome. Well, you did good. You guys all drove well out there. Thank you.